the brain a computer or is the computer a brain?
Huh, that's a really interesting question. Let's look at the way we learn to help us answer that.
Our brains undergo a process called long-term potentiation, or LTP, to help us learn new things and store them in our memory. For example, when you were first learning how to add and subtract, you may have gotten a few questions wrong.
I sure did.
But you kept trying, and now the correct answers are with you for life. They're in your long-term memory. Let's take a closer look at this process. LTP has three main steps: induction, maintenance, and storage. Looking at induction, there are two types that both take place in a region of the brain called the hippocampus. Classical LTP drives induction, or, in simpler terms, starts the process by inserting more glutamate receptors in the postsynaptic neuron, while alternative LTP starts the process by increasing the amount of glutamate released presynaptically. Next, during maintenance, new proteins are created in the body of a neuron that then adjust the shape of spines on the dendrite, thus strengthening the synapse and the new formed memory. Lastly, that memory is stored in specific cells that form a type of neural network called an engram.
That's where I get confused. I've heard of neural networks, but aren't they used in computers?
Well, yes, they're specifically used in machine learning software, and they help computers learn just like us. Let me show you.
Computer scientists create software that can build many different types of neural networks. Those networks are then taught by a teaching software that essentially tests and grades their work. In the same way that we humans undergo LTP to strengthen our neural pathways and hold on to what we learn, neural networks have weighted pathways that help them hold on to their correct answers.
Wow, it's so cool how similar we are to computers.
It is, and scientists are taking it a step further by incorporating real brain tissue into the computing process.
No way!
Yeah, way.
The process is almost the same, but instead of using artificial neural networks, biocomputers use tissues originating from stem cells called organoids and take advantage of naturally occurring LTP to help the overall machine learn.
That's so cool.
It is. We've learned a lot today, so let's recap.
I got it. Humans use LTP to learn and store memories. Machine learning goes through a similar process when training neural networks, and biocomputers use both naturally occurring LTP and software to learn new things.
That's right. Now that you know how LTP works in these ways, it sounds like you're well equipped to go out and learn even more.